One of the biggest challenges when selling printable templates is making sure they look just as good on paper as they do on screen. That's where our brand new bleed guides feature in Templett comes in. While we've always had a bleed option in the PDF and JPEG downloads, you now have the option to see the bleed while you are designing. Let's open up a template so you can see it in action. It's super easy to use the bleed feature. Just go to File, Settings, Show Bleed. A red border will appear around your design. That's the bleed area. When a design gets printed, the paper is trimmed, and even small shifts can cut off important details or leave white edges. The bleed guide shows you exactly where it's safe to place text and graphics, and it also reminds you to extend backgrounds or images past the line for a seamless finish. For sellers, this means fewer customer issues and designs that look more professional in your shop. For customers, it ensures their printed templates come out polished and perfect every time. That's the new bleed feature in Templett. It only takes a second to turn on, but it makes a huge difference for you and your customers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.